Most important, last but not the least thing that we need to discuss in this lesson is electrical safety. The electricity which we use at home is generated at electric power stations and brought to us by thick cables. So what are electrical hazards? Electricity is safe to use but may become dangerous due to our carelessness. It may cause fire, damage or fatal or non-fatal accidents. So in homes also and in factories also, on a large scale or small scale, we need to avoid any electrical accident. What is meant by electrical accident? Every case where a person receives an electric shock or suffer injuries directly or indirectly in connection with the generation transmission of electricity, that is called electrical accident. So we need to remember some points if we want to avoid electrical accidents. We have to be careful because a person may get an electric shock because our body is a good conductor of electricity and it is very dangerous, as we have to protect ourselves from the electric shock. So we should always use the switch in phase wire instead of neutral wire, and always use 3-pin plug in the socket. So we have to use phase wire, we should never use bare wire or the neutral wire. There should be no joints in the wire or the cable. So it should be proper plain direct wire, it should not be having any joint, because the wire will be opened or neutral or bare at the joint and it can give us electric shock. Never touch any electric equipment with wet hands, and never touch any electrician working on electrical installation, because wet hand and water is a good conductor of electricity. So we may get electric shock and we should not even touch the electrician that is working there. All the metallic parts should be properly earthed. So you can see the proper way in which the wire should be earthed, they should be used. No neutral wire should be used, the plug should be used always to avoid any accident injury. We should always use good insulation. Insulation is an important thing, it prevents electric shock. So good insulation wires and good insulation tapes should be used in order to avoid any accident. There should be no smoking zone near transformer, oil, diesel. You must have seen no smoking zone written on the petrol pump areas, that it is no smoking zone, because it can give rise to fire. So these are something that we need to take care of. These are some points that we should take care of. There should not be any water condensate dripping near the cables or panel boards, because water is again a good conductor of electricity and it can lead to electric shock. So there should not be any water dripping near the cables, electric cables. Sand buckets or fire extinguishers, which we normally see at the petrol pumps, in the hospitals, in various buildings we see these things. In our school also we can see fire extinguishers. They should be placed near all the electric panels and nearby electric equipment so that we can avoid any electrical accident. Never use the pliers or screwdrivers of poor quality and poor insulation or damaged insulation, because they can give electric shock and they can prove harmful for us. So we should always use good quality insulation equipment. Never overload any socket or point. Only the amount which we can easily carry, which we can use easily, we should use that. No overloading should be done in the sockets or power button. Never keep anything inside or on top of any electrical panels. Though at homes we do not have these things, but the people working in these fields, in factories or electrical equipments fields, they should take care of this, that they should not keep anything inside or over these things. The most important, last but not the least, the electrical work requires full attention. We have to be present minded, we should be careful, we should be visual at every moment, full attention should be